What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikey Daily Carry. I am on a vacation right now in San Diego, California. I had to scale down on a bunch of things. What did I carry? Pretty much my standard bando bag, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in here right now. Main compartment, I have my Live the Creed EDC med pouch. Always gotta have that with me. I also have a charging bank by Anchor. Has an Apple Watch, USB-C, and then I also have a Rode wireless micro, which I'm using right now and what you guys hear on this video. On the front side, I have my wallet, and this one right here is the Moab version 2 by EverydayHankEDC. What's that? Go Birds Championships. That's what I'm talking about. American flag right there for my pen, Big Eye Design mini click, and then I also have some beads there, Pick Skull by Pocket Filth, MikeyDC. What do I have on my person? Before I do that though, back home in Vegas, right? Typically, rapid access is a firearm. But in California, pepper spray. Better watch out, back up, back up. But I got some pepper spray in there, some Sabre pepper gel. You know what I'm saying? We gotta be California legal and all that over here. But on my person, what do I got? Over here, Olight, Arkfeld, Ultra. 3 modes there. This pocket right here, Big Eye Design, TI, Arto, Twist, Cat Pen. Love that. Over here, I do have a knife, but California legal. Look at that little thing, Baby Banter, Civivi, made by What Is Up, guys? Ben Banters. I got a Hank. This one right here, some Topograph, EverydayhankEDC. And over on this side, what do I got? Oh, I got my Leatherman Arc and Rips Garage Tech MCB skins. That's pretty much it. Oh, I did have my Hero clip. I did a little bit of shopping. I got that hanging right there. Apple Watch with the Andar band over here. It's got some beads. So right here's a glass breaker because that's tungsten. But I'm trying to stay prepared out here in San Diego because immediately once I cross in, I gotta let go of a lot of stuff. That's what I got. Mikey Daily Carry. Like, share, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Welcome back.